Hi guys, it's Scott from TilersTools. I'm here with Matt from Greenbelt Landscapes, just here to ask him a few questions. So with regards to the service you get from TilersTools, how was that?
Absolutely brilliant. I mean, mainly we either pop in or order things by phone, and then myself or the lads might pop in. It's always ready, you know. Yeah. So the service is brilliant.
Yeah, and how did you find the staff?
Always friendly, always happy to help. Any problems you ever have, they're always happy to help you resolve the problems. You don't feel like you've just bought something and gone away and there's no aftercare.
Excellent. And the new TT paving solutions, how do you find the range of equipment we offer in general as well?
Range of equipment is brilliant. To be honest, as when I come to Scott with an issue, cleaning the haze off the paving, we was offered this solution. Absolutely brilliant. My guys have this problem quite regularly, and we have other issues as well that we've been to Scott with that obviously solves our problems.
Excellent. Thank you.